Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin 4-hour charts. Yes, a Bitcoin on the 4-hour. As you can see, we did make our way above this resistance zone. Closed a couple of 4-hour candles above, before having a bit of a pullback into our zone. Just below it at the moment, obviously at this level where we can see we previously got previous price action basically. So we are looking at this point, we are looking to try and get our way back above 36,000 after this bit of a pullback, and make our way fully and formally to hold into this zone. Obviously if we don't do that, we pretty much got to hold the underside of these wicks, so about 34,000, but then obviously we do have this support zone here as well. But yeah, if we don't turn up from here, get back above 36, yeah, we could come back down, and then we could basically we could lose this horizontal, and then we could have another swipe at 30,000, just ping pong in between this lower side range, where obviously we know if we do come back down to the lower side, then then we are potentially in trouble. So yeah, all eyes on the price action today. We do want to get above and close above 36,000, ideally 37, 38,000 within this zone. But yeah, get ourselves back above the resistance. It is fair enough. We've had a bit of a pullback into it, and somewhat below it just about. But yeah, as long as we can get back above, we're okay. If we do start coming back down, and we do basically, well, to be honest, whilst we've got this support zone, if we do lose these lower levels here, we're probably going to struggle to not get back down to 30,000 at that point. Well, you guys know we potentially lose it. So yeah, we are definitely not out of the woods yet. We are looking good. I mean, to get not necessarily out of the woods, but to look a lot better, we want to basically get into this top half of this wider range, which is what we're attempting to do. We'll just extend this along a bit as well, just so we've got it going forwards as well. Yeah, a lot of pivotal things in the markets today. We've obviously got this in Bitcoin needing to get up a little bit. We've got this Ethereum Satoshi pairing, which has been looking obviously better. Needs to get above this horizontal and above these horizontals. So that is at a resistance point that it kind of needs to break through. The dollar index as well, as we can see, having that little bit of a pullback towards our resistance zone. But again, we are okay to ping pong between here, and I would guess, if I had to guess, say we're going to get rejected in this level, come back down, and ultimately take this level out. But obviously we have got to get rejected here. If we get above here, if we get above, well, basically we can call it 92.5, 92.5. If we get above there, we are going to yeah, potentially have more upside. So yeah, we are looking to get rejected anywhere around this zone, but yeah, it is okay that we are in this zone. We're moving up a little bit. It is nothing really to worry about. We're in this range, but obviously if we do start to well, if we do take this horizontal, this resistance out, then we are potentially going to be in trouble. But like I said, I expect us to get rejected. Maybe we get some wicks into here, some price action here, but ultimately I do expect this to fail to break it, and then come back down, and then ultimately lose this. That is my crystal ball guesstimation. But yeah, there we go. S&P futures having a little bit of a pullback. We can see Nasdaq from yesterday again, just looking golden there. Bitcoin dominance again, like we said, looking like it wants to potentially try and put in a high here and start to come back down. If we just extend this along, let me grab that shift key. Yeah, we've got this horizontal, we can lose this, and then start to well, yeah, I mean, we will start to hopefully make our way down at that point. Obviously this horizontal here will be important as well, and then this one, I mean, they're roughly around the same area. If we do start to come down, it would look increasingly like we are going to take this out and then ultimately come lower. So that is what we want to see for overall health in the crypto markets. We want to see this breaking down. We want to see that dollar getting rejected. We want to see Bitcoin getting above 36,000, and we want to see the Ethereum Satoshi pairing basically this bull flag, potential bull flag playing out and getting a move above these horizontals, and then we will be looking good. So let's just have a look at those stochastics. It is the daily one that we are really focusing on. 4 hours obviously going to give us a bit of resistance, and we're obviously just going to have to hope it's a bullish reset. 10 hour, when it decides to show itself, will probably be turning probably be looking to turn back down again, but hopefully a bullish reset. But this has helped us thus far get up to this $36,000 level, so that is not bad. 12 hours also done the same. It is now time for the daily to take that baton and continue up to get us through that, or at least hold us where we are, whilst the basically the 4, 10 and 12 hour bullishly reset. 2 day as well, looking to potentially turn back up. 3 day, well, the high ones don't really change much, but you can see they've got the potential to eventually get moving and then give us some seriously good upside. So yeah, like I said, we do kind of need to get our way back above 36,000. In that case, some of these lower time frame stochastics will start to look potentially better. Also the daily can get going as well, and yeah, we'll start to look good. But yeah, realistically though, it's just the levels. I mean, I'll say it again, get above 36,000, especially for a second time after getting supported here, would be particularly good. Obviously, if we do get rejected to the underside of this resistance, realistically, we'll hope we get caught, price action gets caught at this support zone. But I think if we lose this lower level here, it's going to give us the momentum to get through this support zone, and then we will be looking at 30,000, and then we're just going to have to, obviously, it's just squeaky bum time again, and we're just going to have to just keep our fingers and toes crossed that the institutions come in and buy below 30,000. But they do appear to be looking at 30,000 as a level that they want to buy. So let's hope that they can just keep buying enough for whenever we do come down there, we basically get supported there. Or even better, let's hope they move up to the $33,000 level and we don't break that. But yeah, anyway, there we go, guys. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.